Hello, my name is Jaume Ordech. I'm Key Account Manager at Quadpack Wood. For the ones that still have no time to visit the factory, we have decided to create a video to show you the factory and explain a little bit about wood and the wood process. So let's start the video. Welcome at Quadpack Wood. As you know, wood comes from forest and trees are chopped on logs. But on our production, we do not start until we receive wood in regular formats, either square formats or rectangular formats. Wood needs to be dried. The drying process is outside, but also there is a part inside. We have here at the plant two ovens, one of 70 and another one of 12 cubic meters, which allow to get a humidity rate below 10%. The wood stock warehouse at the plant has a capacity of 400 cubic meters, but at less than 1 kilometer from the factory, we have a warehouse with a capacity to stock until 1,500 cubic meters. Our consumption of wood reached in 2019 4,600 cubic meters, which equivalent to 184 trucks. We are on a plant of 10,000 square meters. Our workforce oscillates from 70 to 120 people between permanent and temporary personnel, depending on the demand of the market. Installed capacity for 38 million units. There are at this moment running investments to reach 45 million units capacity. First production step is what we call the wood preparation. For this purpose, we work with cutting, planing and profiling machines. Once wood is prepared, we can give shapes to our parts. And for this we have two kinds of machines. Turning lathes, where we can obtain basic cylindrical revolution shapes, or milling CNC machines. A part of getting shapes that you could get also from turning lathes, you can obtain more complex shapes. We have CNC machines with different layouts, 3 and 4 axes, which gives a lot of possibilities in terms of production. Once shapes are obtained, we need to grind the surface of the parts and remove the imperfection from the machining process. We have two types of installations: robotized sanding cells and rotary sanding tables. Some parts require an engraving of the brand or logo of the customer. Then we need to process them on our laser machines. Our spraying line is formed of 4 cabins and a drying system. On a standard process, we might apply one color on the first cabin and a spray varnish on the next cabins. However, depending on what kind of finish we want to get, we can vary the process. In this section is where we assemble different components to the wood. It's composed of different automatic table machines and semi-automatic ones for small runs. The installation is prepared to assemble over 100,000 units per day. Why do we proudly claim for clean manufacturing? That's for 4 main reasons. Number 1, we source wood from sustainable managed forests. Number 2, the scrap wood generated from our production process is treated on our biomass plant. The energy that we generate is being used on our ovens and will climatize the plant. Number 3, green electricity. All electricity comes from renewable sources, so at the end our wood plant is free of fossil fuels. And number 4, clean air at the spraying line. Thanks to our regenerative thermal oxidizer, we eradicate VOC, volatile organic compounds. On the laboratory, we conduct the necessary tests to fulfill with the cosmetic industry requirements. That's what we call the inspiration room. Here is where we receive the clients, we share with them the wonders of wood and make possible their project. It's also a showroom where you will find most of our projects developed with our clients. Well, we are at the expeditions area. That means that's the end of this tour. I hope that you have enjoyed and you have learned about wood. We remain at your disposal for any information that you might require. And the most important, we wait you here, so hope to see you soon.